In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stake crypto on eToro. To get started, sign into your eToro account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you can access your portfolio without any issues before moving forward. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to find a cryptocurrency that is supported for staking. Next, use the search bar to look for a cryptocurrency that is eligible for staking. A common example is ETH, which is Ethereum. Typing the name or ticker symbol into the search bar is usually the fastest way to find it. Keep in mind that not every cryptocurrency on the platform may qualify for staking, so it's important to choose one that is supported. When you find the cryptocurrency you want, open its page by clicking on it from the search results. This will take you to the asset page, where you can review basic information such as price movement, market details, and trading options. Taking a quick look here can help you confirm that you've selected the right asset before making a purchase. After that, click the Trade button. This opens the order window where you can begin setting up your purchase. From here, enter the amount you want to invest. Be sure to choose an amount you're comfortable with, and remember that the value of crypto can rise and fall, so it's always a good idea to review the details carefully before confirming anything. Once you've entered your investment amount, click Buy to complete the purchase of the cryptocurrency. After the order is processed, the crypto will appear in your eToro portfolio. This is the key part of the staking process on eToro, because in order to be considered for staking rewards, you need to hold the eligible cryptocurrency in your account. From there, simply keep the supported crypto in your eToro portfolio. eToro automatically handles the staking side for eligible holdings, which means you generally do not need to manually lock the asset or set up anything extra on the platform. If your holdings qualify, eToro will calculate any applicable staking rewards for you automatically. Finally, monitor your holdings in your portfolio. This allows you to keep track of both the cryptocurrency you own and any staking rewards that may be credited over time. Checking in regularly can help you stay aware of your asset value and any reward activity. And that's it. That's how to stake crypto on eToro. Thanks for watching.